More than a half dozen fire engines responded to a massive blaze.
Firefighters are trying to save homes and property.
We had to stand back about 50 yards from the flames.
This is not under control at all. You can see that we're seeing flame going up.
When the alarm sounds, you have one job: respond. Lives are at stake. Time is of the essence. You need to make decisions now. What's the shortest route? Are there hazardous materials? Where are the hydrants, Knox box, and sprinkler connections? What if you had all that information before the alarm sounds? FH Mobile Response gives it to you. FH Mobile Response is the industry-leading software for fast, effective emergency management. Integrated with the FIREHOUSE Software records management system, the most widely used in the industry. It puts all the most up-to-date information at your fingertips. From the moment you get into your truck, providing clear, effective visual communication and response tools, as well as reporting and records management.
What the Mobile Software Solutions has done for us is bringing all these different elements into one software package. We're not having to switch between programs. Everything is right there on your screen. The routes, the pre-plans, everything is at your fingertips.
In a word, FH Mobile Response gives you control, speeding and coordinating knowledge through an interoperable system that lets your team hit the ground running to save lives. Many fire companies still rely on paper-based incident pre-plans, fumbling with pages in the heat of an emergency.
Those minutes and seconds you cannot get back.
This software is light years ahead of that. It just blows away the books. It'll actually pinpoint us on the street. So if we know we're going to be in the middle of the block, we can start making tactical decisions 3 or 4 blocks away from the site that we're going to.
6234, 431 handling.
FH Mobile Response gives you the big picture, even as it's constantly changing.
Go down to 191 and head west.
As an incident commander, you see all units responding to an incident. You see all the different routes they're taking to the incident. If you want to bring in a certain unit from a different direction, the software allows you to reroute that unit to where you want it to actually go.
If you know where you're going and you know what building you're going to, that's just one less thing that officer needs to figure out.
Using an optional interface to a computer-aided dispatch or CAD system, your team automatically receives routing instructions.
Turn left in 350 feet.
And with audible turn-by-turn directions, responders can more safely focus on getting where they need to go. Multi-view maps with clear icons and unit IDs keep the entire team on the same page, even in rapidly changing situations. Responders quickly locate hydrants and hazardous materials, access floor plans and contact information, even aerial views, along with a unique tool to calculate distances. The system can even map out hazard evacuation zones based on real-time weather.
And this is all locked inside this software where it's just a finger touch to pop open all this information.
The fire broke out early this evening.
They were in a good deal of danger because the fire got rather close.
FH Mobile Response puts it all together for a faster, coordinated response.
The mobile software solution we have now incorporates all facets within one software package. That's a huge advantage to us.
It means a lot to the people that we're going to help.
When they're having a bad day, it's our job to show up and make things right for them. Property's at stake, lives are at stake, and the faster we can get there, the faster we can solve their problem for them.
With FH Mobile Response, your team can hit the ground running, make fast, critical decisions based on the latest information, and work as a single, unified team to save property and lives. The world depends on you. You can depend on us. FH Mobile Response.